If you've spent any time in the online business space, you've likely come across Stand Store. Essentially, Stand Store is a link in bio tool with integrated selling features. I decided to try it out and share my thoughts on whether it's useful and who it's suitable for. We often discuss digital products, and Stand Store frequently comes up in these conversations. This video is not sponsored. These are my honest opinions after using Stand Store and comparing it to other options. Stand Store is a popular all-in-one platform designed to help creators and business owners generate passive income. It combines features from tools like Calendly, Kajabi, Shopify, and Linktree, making it a versatile option for managing links and sales from a single place. I'll explain whether the pricing of Stand Store is justified given its extensive capabilities. If you're already using or considering these other platforms, it's worth looking into how Stand Store could streamline your operations and potentially offer a better value. Stand Store helps convert followers into paying customers by allowing you to sell digital products, book appointments, and host webinars. Stand Store aims to simplify online earnings. It offers an easy and attractive interface, potentially boosting sales and making online monetization straightforward. Who is Stand Store for? Stand Store is widely used by a variety of creators and businesses, but it's particularly ideal for online coaches, mentors, and teachers, content creators, influencers, micro-influencers, and UGC creators, Instagrammers and TikTok creators, digital product creators as an alternative to Etsy, social media managers and content managers, designers, freelancers, and small digital businesses. How it works. When promoting a digital product, such as an ebook on platforms like TikTok or Instagram, creators typically direct their audience to the link in their bio. Previously, this link would redirect users to another site where they had to search for the product. With Stand Store, the link in the bio serves as the digital store itself, allowing users to purchase directly without leaving the platform, making the process seamless and efficient. Stand Store versus Linktree. Linktree has improved recently, but it remains primarily a link-sharing service. You can customize your link in bio page, but it lacks the comprehensive all-in-one features of Stand Store. Stand Store versus Etsy. Etsy is popular for selling digital products, but charges 20 cents per listing and a 6.5% transaction fee. These fees can accumulate over time, making it more expensive than Stand Store. Stand Store versus Shopify. Shopify is excellent for building a full digital store, but doesn't match the cost-effectiveness of Stand Store, which charges a flat $29 monthly fee. With Stand Store, you keep all your earnings. To boost your sales on Stand Store, consider these strategies. High-quality products. Ensure your digital products are top-notch and valuable. High quality will help build a strong reputation, attract positive reviews, and foster customer loyalty. Compelling descriptions. Write engaging and informative product descriptions that highlight unique features and benefits. Use persuasive language and relevant keywords to clearly show how your products solve customer problems. Eye-catching visuals. Create visually appealing graphics and product images to attract potential buyers. Good visuals can effectively communicate the essence of your offerings. Online presence. Build a strong online presence through social media, a professional website or blog, and engaging content marketing. This will drive traffic to your Stand Store and increase sales opportunities. Continual improvement. Stay informed about market trends and customer preferences. Regularly update your products based on feedback and evolving demands to keep your store fresh and relevant. Benefits of Stand Store. 1. Selling digital products. Effortlessly sell digital items like worksheets, webinars, ebooks, and templates by creating a checkout page, setting a price, and uploading your product. 2. Collecting emails and applications. Gather email addresses using lead magnets like free ebooks or cheat sheets. Application forms. Post application forms directly on your link in bio, removing the need for external services like Google Forms. Followers can complete applications without leaving your storefront. Automated calendar booking feature. StanStore includes an automated calendar booking feature that integrates with your calendar and Zoom account, streamlining the entire booking process. If Kajabi and ClickFunnels are too pricey, StanStore is a great alternative for e-courses. Membership services. I switched my monthly marketing membership from my website to StanStore due to its impressive features. On StanStore, you can set up a membership by creating an e-course and selecting the subscription payment option. If your membership doesn't require an online course platform, like offering a premium WhatsApp group membership or a paid email subscription, you can utilize the recurring membership feature. This allows you to set up recurring payments and then provide access to the product through an external link. You can try StanStore free with a 14-day trial, after which it will cost $29 monthly at the creator level or $99 a month for Creator Pro. StanStores have made it super easy for you to sell your digital products, get bookings, host webinars, and basically monetize your content, whilst providing a simple and aesthetically pleasing front-end store for your customer, which can even result in more sales. Hey guys, if you liked this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on StanStore. Host a webinar. StanStore allows you to host exclusive coaching sessions or events with multiple customers. Thanks to its integration with Zoom and Gmail, you can automate bookings and calendar invites without any manual effort. Offer a custom product. If you offer customizable products or audits, StanStore is ideal. For example, you can offer an Instagram SEO audit where customers book via StanStore, answer specific questions, and receive a custom video or document. External links. StanStore also lets you add external links, similar to Milkshake and Linktree. Use these links to promote your free Facebook group or podcast. Why did I sign up for StanStore? After reading a few StanStore reviews, I was also wondering the very question, is StanStore worth it? So I started with the free trial to have a look around at what this platform could offer me. I tried the Milkshake app and Linktree. However, neither of these menus seemed to be great at converting my followers into paying customers or leads. No matter what design or copy I used, I found my click-through rate from Instagram was low and my conversion lower. I understand now that this was because every link took them to a different place. I had a link to my website, a link to a MailerLite sign-up form, and a link to Google Forms, and each click meant loading an entirely new web page. However, with StanStore, almost everything is in one place, giving my follower the perfect shopping experience. StanStore allows you to offer one-time deals during the checkout process, potentially boosting sales by 20%. Payment plans. You can enable customers to pay in installments, making purchases more accessible. Limit quantity and discount codes. Create personalized discount codes for your audience and limit product quantities to control sales or create urgency. Generate affiliate links. With the Creator Pro account, customers can promote your products and earn commissions, increasing product visibility and sales. How much does StanStore take? StanStore charges a 10% commission on the total transaction value, including the product price and any additional fees like taxes or shipping. While this fee might seem significant, it is justified by the platform's extensive reach and robust features. By using StanStore, sellers can tap into a large user base and benefit from its comprehensive infrastructure, potentially increasing their sales and overall income despite the commission. Marketing assistance. StanStore understands the importance of effective marketing in driving sales. The platform offers various promotional tools, such such as featured listings, discounts, and email marketing campaigns, empowering sellers to reach a wider audience and maximize their sales potential. In conclusion, making money on StanStore is not rocket science. It's all about understanding the platform, implementing the right techniques, and staying persistent. Remember, with the right strategies, success is within your reach. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable tips on making money online. Share your success stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching.